Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download East West Bank app in your mobile. So in Android, you can just go to your Play Store, and for iOS, you can just go to your App Store. As I'm using Android, I'll just go to Play Store, and on the top you can see your search bar. You have to click on that. You have to type here East West, and on the top right, you can see install button. You have to just click on that. The file size is of 16 MB. It won't take that much of space in your mobile. People have rated it 3 out of 5. It has got a good decent rating. And as you can see here, 500k plus downloads. Lots of people are using it. So this app provides service to bank everywhere easily. And yes, the app is downloaded here and a shortcut is created on your home screen. You can just click on open and go through the app. And if you guys like our video, then you can just click on like and subscribe button. Thank you.